and Rona have me just running and scrambling, you know, looking for the shmoney pre-shampoo. Lord Father. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Latoyalaven. Oh my god, it's been, ladies and gentlemen, it's been ages. It's been ages that I post a video, and I'm so sorry. I apologize so much. But you know, with this pandemic going on or whatever, I've been working. I'm not working, but I'm not all into the money. It's just that I was just like working constantly and stuff, and things was just, whoo, it was hella weird, really stuff. But I'm back here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the new subscribers. I'm giving you a virtual hug, loves, kisses and everything. Stay safe, be safe, make sure everybody in your family, everybody is safe. Bless up to them, because you may never know what is really going on, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an update about my skin, like baby girl. Like B. Simone said, my skin has gotten over the period of summer, fall, and that is where we come into fall skincare, how to maintain your skin throughout the fall and winter time. My lighting is really a little bit off because I'm using natural lighting. So we're starting off as usual with the hair. So the first product what I'm going to be showing you guys is this bad boy right here. This is from GLISS, from Schwarzkopf. This is a German brand, German Austrian brand, I really don't know. And please, people, don't get offended or anything, because I know some people do get offended for certain things. I don't. This smells so good. Let me tell you guys something. In the black community, when they come into wintertime and they're living in a country like me, I'm living in Austria, you tend, well, most likely you tend to get split ends. It depends on how you're taking care of it. Also in the wintertime, it's like your hair, you know, it gets dries off very fast. So you have to moisturize your hair very good. And I remember using something like similar to from this brand, something very similar, and it works perfectly. Let me tell you guys how perfect this works. I actually maintain the length of my hair. I actually maintain it, and my hair, I did not cut my hair over a year because I didn't see the use of cutting it. Although you should trim your ends, because I was maintaining it, taking care of my hair, looking very good for it and stuff. And I remember I started back using these kind of products in my hair. It's a pre-shampoo. Lord Father. It's a pre-shampooing stuff, post-shampoo. You understand what I mean? So that product is like very good. The next product what we come into is for my face, and let me tell you guys, Clinique, I don't know what you guys did, but they took off the, I don't know, they took off my moisturizing super defense SPF 30. Like I said, it's a little bit more high-end products, but it lasts me like 3 to 4 months till it really comes back. And for me, I was very shocked when I did not see it anymore. So I said, let me try something new. And the product what I'm going to be showing you guys is the Estee Lauder. Let me see if you guys, yes, it's the Estee Lauder. They wear 15% SPF inside of it. It's a multi-protection and antioxidant wear. It's 24 moisturizing, and it's true. I've been using this product for the last good 3 weeks, because I said, like, to really test a product to see if it's really working or not, you have to test it 3 weeks, and that is exactly what I did. And look at that, you guys, look how moisturizing this is. This is so hydrating. Look at that moisture on my skin. And like, this is like all what I use. It has a neutral scent to it, so it don't smell like anything. I don't really like a lot of products with fragrance inside of it. I just said somebody ponging. Maybe they're making something, I don't know. But anyway, so the next thing, what after I finish use that product, this product right here, my Estee Lauder, it actually really moisturized my face so super good, and I really love it. And then here we come into the next product. What I really like is the Health Priority. This is the vitamin E oil from them. I hope you guys could see it properly. So this is really good. This is with different types of oil, with jojoba and avocado oil inside of it. It's 50 milliliters, and I took up 2 bottles of it because why? Vitamin E just gives me the benefits on my skin. especially in winter time. I don't use it in summertime because it's like too thick for the consistency is too thick for me. But in the winter time, it just secure my moisture. The same way how you're taking care of your hair is the same way how you have to take care of your face, your body, and everything in winter time. So this is how thick this oil right here is. And let me show you guys. I'm gonna put like 1 drop of it here on my hand. So I have the cream here on my hand, and let me show you guys. I just put this on. Don't be afraid, girls with oily skin, please don't be afraid to use it. It's very good. You may look like if your face is like a pan of grease or anything, but no, it's not no pan of grease or anything on your skin. It's your skin just being very hydrated. And look at that. Look how this look. Come on, man, people, don't tell me you wouldn't like that your skin look very hydrated. So this is what I did this morning, and I don't have no makeup or anything on my face. Yeah, you can see I still have a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my face, but that is all, and my skin is amazing. That is it, what I just use most of the time in the winter time. And my BHA from Paula's Choice, you guys know I love that. So that is what I use in the day. But I was so happy when I found this product. The next product it's from REN. It's the Ready Steady Glow. Although you still want your skin to look glowy, hydrated, moisturized, and everything in winter, fall time, girls, believe me, this will help you a lot. AHA, this will help you for those like me who suffer from hyperpigmentation. And since we have to be wearing masks, some of you guys have to wear masks every day, the whole day, and when you take it off, you know, you start noticing a set of pimples and whatsoever going on. I noticed that like my skin changed, like when I had to wear a mask for 8 hours while I was on work. 8 hours, and I just noticed like, oh my god, like my hyperpigmentation is coming out more. I'm getting rash, I'm getting certain pimples on my face. It's just craziness going on. So I switched up everything, and just I noticed when I start using an AHA on my skin in between, and I have some of my moisturizer with me on work, and I just put that on underneath just to refreshen my skin so that my skin could stay hydrated and not like breaking out like some kind of you know what I mean. So this product is really good. The next 2 products what I'm going to be showing you, I actually start loving the product from Dr. JART. Like I bought this right here, is Smile Slim, what I haven't tried yet, but I have tried like the hydration mask from him and also the peeling solution, and I find that the peeling solution is perfect for winter time or for fall time, when you start to get this kind of flaky skin and it's like getting all over, which means your skin is lack of hydration. So what that solution actually does is actually raise up those dead skin cells and take them off, and like it's like a sugar scrub, and then you put on the mask on top of it, and then you start hearing this pop 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 situation going on, and it's so amazing. Like when you wash off your face, it's like you have a brand new skin, literally brand new skin, and I really love it. So the next thing what I would try from Dr. JART is actually the Laugh Line Lift. I just want to try it to see how it really works. And like I said, I tried also other masks from him, and this is one mask what I still have from Dr. JART. Is the firming solution to like tighten your skin a little bit, and it's a body heat activated thermosensitive cellulose firming gel mask. You know what I mean, and smooth lines. So those are the things what for like for my hair and for my face. And now we come into the body. Like I said, in fall or winter time, your skin tends to need more moisture. You're getting dry, you're getting ashy, you're looking crusty, you're looking like you know. And ladies, you don't want that, because you still want to have your smooth skin all the year long. So what I've been loving also, to you guys know I love Ritual products, and I've been using from Rituals the Rituals Happy Buddha Made with Love, and this smells so good. I went to Greece. If you can also follow me on my Instagram, you could actually see all my pictures, or where I posted how my skin was looking. And this bad boy here I was using in vacation. This is a scrub with an oil inside of it, and it tends to suck in your moisture. I don't know if I still have my vacation glow. I think so, because like so long as the sun come out, it's just like your girl is like bam 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 in the sun. But this is really good. Let me give you guys a good tip. First, use a sugar scrub on your body and then use your shaving cream. Or if you're waxing or anything, it's totally different than the woman who is waxing you, what she's doing. But those for you who are doing it at home, this is what I recommend you to do. Oh my god, hey, your skin will be, oh my god, your skin will be looking so marvelous. And this is what I did, or this is what I just do, you know. So it smells really good. This is how the sugar scrub is looking. It has the consistency from it is very good. Ritual products could be like a little bit pricey for some people, but you can do it like a homemade sugar scrub. If you guys want to know how I make my homemade sugar scrub, link me right down here, comment down in the comment sections and let me know. So that is that. And then after I come out of the shower, smelling all good like scrub and whatever going on, I like to spray my body with a body mist. And again, I like using the Ritual of Happy Buddha. So this is the next product what I've been like, I'm really tense in when I come out of the shower. I like to like spray my body with a body mist. I like how it smells. It has, I noticed like it keeps me fresher, longer fresher and stuff. Not to say that I'm smelling or anything, but all who know me, I like to smell like really fresh and nice and yummy yummy, you know. So I really like using that product, and it's been very, very good for me. So ladies and gents, my outrageous family, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click right here down here, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell if you want to, you know, give a girl some love and give this video a thumbs up, you know. Thank you all for tuning in. I love you guys. Those were my products of showing you guys what to do for fall and winter, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you guys. Be safe. Take care of yourself. You know what I mean.